Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to import and how to export videos in iMovie. So you can find a button with an arrow down button over here at the top navigation bar. You just click on it and you can select any of your videos. That's it, I selected it. So after you select it, you need to drag your video to this trackpad over here. If you want to edit something, you need to drag over here. So you just click on, there is a, so you need to drag and drop over here. So and also there is the plus button is there, right? So you can also just click on it, it will add it to over here. So now you can edit your video. So once you done all your editing, there is a button called export button, just click on it. So either will the different options, so email, YouTube or Facebook or whatever. Now I'm going to selecting a file. So there you can add your movie name. So import and export video files, and you can also choose the format. So video, audio, or only audio only. You can also choose the resolution, 540, 720 or 4K also there. So after that you can also select a quality, so medium quality or whatever though. So just click on next. So it will ask you to where where it gonna store, so documents, just save it. That's it guys. There you can find a circle like a button, just click on it. You can track your video progress, and also it will take the 3 minutes of time. That's it guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.